Greetings everyone. In today's video we are going to be learning how to cut and sew an A-line skirt with 2 front slits. I'll be sharing the most easiest and the most detailed method, and we are going to be doing this in less than 4 minutes. So quickly, let's get started. I'm going to be using one trouser of crepe material. It is by 60 in length. On the by 60 part of this, I'll go ahead to place this on fold. I'll place this on the ground like so, and the closed parts I will just go ahead to place this on a bias fold. You take it and place it on a bias fold. Now the end of your fabric is expected to get all the way to the end, but for this upper part you just have to arrange it. You take your time and arrange the up so that it is up to your waist and your hip measurement plus 4 inches. Okay, so take your time and arrange this point very well so that you'll be getting your exact waist and hip measurement plus extra 4 inches. The 4 inches is for cutting and sewing allowance. So this is me trying to confirm if this part is up to my waist measurement plus 4 inches. So after I have confirmed this, I'll go ahead to mark out my skirt length from the side because the side is shorter than the center. After I have marked out my skirt length, for the waistband's sake, I'm going to come down from my skirt length by 1.5 inches. I'll also go ahead to get a straight line, and I'm going to connect it like this to the side. Now, because the front center is longer than the side, from this straight line, I'll go ahead to remark my full length, and I'll also place it at another point on the straight line, and I'll also mark out my full length. I'm going to connect this with a dotted line. Then next, I'm going to go back to the up part. I'll measure my hip line. If you are not sure of your bias fold, do well to confirm your hip measurement on your hip line before you proceed. And it should give you your hip measurement plus 4 inches. So I'm going to cut out the waistline and proceed to the side. If you take note, I will not be shaping the side. This is because I ensure that my bias fold is up to the desired measurement, of which I recommend your waist and your hip measurement plus 4 inches. This 4 inches is because you are going to be joining the front pieces together. So this way, if you follow this method, your A-line skirt is going to be standing and will not be falling by the side because it's a bias fold and a bias cut. So after you have done this now, I'll go ahead to just open it because one part of it is closed. So I'll take one piece of this. Remember that I added 4 inches as a sewing allowance. So I'll place this on fold. I'm going to make sure my bust span measurement divided by 2, and I'm going to go out by 1 inch like this. So next, you are going to go to the down part, and whatever you have as the total of this, you are going to ensure that the side is 2 inches more than the center. Okay, just 2 inches more. So you just get the point that it gives you, but the side should be 2 inches more than the part you are using for the center. To be able to connect this very well, all you have to do, if you don't have a straight rule, place your tape on it and kindly make a tiny dot as you follow your tape carefully so you can get a very slanted line. Then you go ahead to connect it together, and this will be for our slanted line. Now I'm going to go ahead to cut this out, and when you cut this out, please do not forget to notch the up part and the side so you do not mistake it for one and the other. The sewing process is very easy, but I will just summarize this, and you should take note of the following things while you are joining the pieces together. To join this up, all you have to do is to join the corners accordingly. And when you join the corners, you just do well to sew from the up down to where you desire your slit to be. You go ahead to join this to the back part, you join your waistband, and your zipper should be at the side. Thanks for watching. Bye.